In the coastal regional coast, the people of the Ecuador are characterized by a personality complicated and happy. They is the territory they nationalists, Greek, Epera, Sachilas, or generally known like colored. Generally the coast population live at home simple and small can usually buy near the sea for a beach marketing of typical local food for tourists visiting the beautiful beach of Ecuador. Montevideo's country is housing always to the shore of the river or world timber place, the walls of Ken Gagua and the selling pie. They agree for the most part in cantons, parishes and enclosures where there takes place banana, coffee, cocoa, soybean, maize, cotton, sugarcane, yucca, green, avocado, pepper, tomatoes, African palms, hangings, watermelons, melons, etc. The dressing of the Montevideo characterized in the main for using a show, white sheet of color which are displaying already made on the day exhibiting staples, based out of the alone color. The action will start has handled in recent years. They are updated the cloning living behind the traditional way of the side. The woman for the side occupies clothes shirt with blush with the shoulder discovered with an density in the hip. The woman has his side takes on colored shirt with blues with very shoulder with a scar on head. The coastal woman stands ready for the variety of clothing to wear is flashy and simple.
The region is coast, shaped by elongated and narrow bands along the coast of Pacific Ecuadorian. This region might be defined as a combination of tourist resorts, swamp, marsh estuaries, and small fishing population. In this north and coast is humid, rural, leader, developed and famous for the presence of vibrant population Afro-Ecuadorian. They are between war music for the music, special for the culture, music king now of marimba. During the whole summer, in the leaf of accent, the Ecuadorians are mobile people, and the cities for Puerto López, Montañita, Caracas Bay, and National Park Machalilla. Why this a most perfect beach of the Friday with the boats, the best and the worst coast of the American Pacific. The menu in cost is due to the production of seaweed diverse products. The sea fishes, camarón, shell, octopus, logs, etc. The cocoa is used as Samson and why different types of banana cereal are. Preparing a complement of the local dishes of the Ecuadorian coast. The people of the coast are nice and honest, like a help and work. They like to help people from the other countries and other parts of the country and they feel comfortable and enjoy the beauty of the Ecuadorian coast.
The Amazon, commonly known as the East, is the place where there is a biological diversity of plants and animals, and many species are unique. Its climate is warm, humid, and rainy, and the temperatures vary in 23 and 26 degrees centigrade. In cold, being compared to an impressive symphony of the native life. To experiencing in all its splendor is enough to walk in canoe along one of the serpentine rivers. Reeks took a canopy while the open paths among its primary forest. Learn the secrets of the messy plants, or simply visit its infinite forest. There is a famous park protected by the state called Yasuni Park. This tropical region is a home to thousands of Aboriginal people, belonging to approximately 200 different nationalities. Among the best known are the Secoya, Siona, Cofán, Shuar, Zaparo, Huaorani, and Quichua, the indigenous tribes that live in Ecuadorian jungle, and the ancient warmth of the beautiful heritage of this region of the world.
Indigenous groves have a typical acoustic characteristic by the use of a very unique and thin resource of the earth. Variety of thin one and the Wadusa preparation of monkey and lizard are the basics of nutrition and tasty meal. We have accompanied in the alcoholic beverage of corn or cassava. The general population or that resident in the east tend to disturb people from other places are called do not show the given by the people of the country resident or the coasting when establishing a conversation are reserved the way of thinking, behaving, and dressing goes with their culture, but they are humble and kind-hearted people